Hello, today we'll discover another wild animal again. So, let's get started. Orange. Let's find out what animal is in orange. Bison. Bison. Let's spin it again. Green. Let's find out what animal is in green. Cheetah. Cheetah. Let's spin it again. Blue. Let's find out what animal is in blue. Wildebeest. Wildebeest. Let's spin it again. Yellow. Let's find out what animal is in yellow. Hyena. Hyena. Let's spin it again. Purple. Let's find out what animal is in purple. Wild boar. Wild boar. Let's spin it again. Red. Let's find out what animal is in red. Lion. This is lion. Of the wild animals we have seen, what wild animals have you ever seen? Please subscribe for more video updates. Watch another video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.